what lace? Now when you say what lace, this is what they're talking about. Look at this. Like, do you see this? Wow. I am literally obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm so in love, guys. Hey Fit Fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hope. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My channel is about fitness, health, and wellness with everything in between. So you guys, I'm going to show you guys a first impression of a wig that I just got. I got it from Isee Hair and it just got here today and I had to try it on. I was like, why not share it with you guys? I did a little bit of research on this hair and I'm so in love with it. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. So let's get into it. Okay, so what I got exactly is a M-Cap 9x6 Go Yaki Straight Glueless wig. Is pre-bleach, tiny knots, kinky straight HD lace wig. That is literally a mouthful, but that's exactly what the hair is called. I got the 20 inches. I got 180 density natural, which is like the natural density. And that is all the specs. So let me show you guys the wig so we can get into it. So this is what the box came in. It's a hot pink box. I'm sure you've seen it before if you know about Isee Hair. I love Isee Hair. This is the box that came in. Very beautiful. Okay, so I'm taking the hair out of the box. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Out the box, they give me an envelope with accessories on it. This is just an extra hair elastic band that you can add onto the hair, the back of the hair, to make it tighter. And then they give you guys, it gives us a knot. It's a detached hair combs. So I'm definitely going to keep these in here so I won't lose it. Okay, and then this is the actual hair itself. That is instructions on the new M-Cap that's supposed to resemble actual real hairline. So that's very fascinating. They just talk more about the construction of it. Okay, and then in this bag right here is more accessory. Isee Hair loves to hook up its customers. Oh my goodness. So this is a silk head cap. More, this is a band if you want to glue it. Edge brush, neutral hair color, hair caps. Wow. HD wig cap. Of course, I always get these lashes that we really don't use like that. And then a information booklet. So yeah, that's all the accessory Isee Hair gave us. So let's open the wig and see what it looks like. Alright fam, so this is what the wig looks like. So when I got home, I actually opened it and I was like, let me hold off and do this on camera. So this, my friend, is the wig and this is how it looks like. It is, oh my god, when I tell you this wig is beautiful. Like I said, I got 20 inches. It's very soft, yaki texture. Do you see how smooth it is? It is way silkier than the one I have right now. This one is more like a blowout and this is like a straighten, like a light one pass straighten hair. I normally like 1B hair, borderline brown. As you can see, this one is way lighter than this one, but I'm still okay with it. As you can see, look, this is literally what the hair looks like. This is the front, this is the edges, okay? All right, on the inside, there's more hair clips in the back that is detachable. I'm showing you guys the inside of the wig. Okay, so there's a hair clip to the side, to the back, 2 clips on the side, as you guys can see. The elastic band, the beautiful thing about this band is definitely adjustable, removable, and you can replace it with the other one. And then you can also remove these clips they're removable as well, so it's very well constructed, I'm not gonna lie. So let me go ahead and put it on and we can see where to go from there. So this one is not even secure. I'm going to use this hair cap that I already have and just push it back a little bit and then just put this wig right on, sis. Let's I have a mirror right behind my camera. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is literally straight out of the pack, as you guys can see. Oh yeah, and this hair has like, already has cut out for your ear. So you no longer, the hair is no longer going to be sitting on your ear. They already made it cut around your ear. That is really cool. So like so. And I'm not even going to use the clips for the hair. And the cap, this is what it looks like. Okay, so y'all, straight out the box. Okay, this is what it looks like straight out of the box. You just saw it. This is not edited. How crazy is that? Wow. Wow. Okay, y'all, so I've moved to my bathroom so I can be able to actually modify the hair just a little bit. As you guys can see, I still haven't done anything to the hair yet. It is still just the lace that it came with. So what I'm going to do is just adjust it a little bit to my liking. So I'm going to add my makeup to it. So the makeup that I use is I use the Fit Me powder, the regular generic in 360 Mocha. And then I use I like to mix these two to get my true color. This is the Flawless Matte CC Cream clear coverage, and then I mix it with the Flawless Matte CC Cream. What is the color? This is cinnamon and this is truffle. So I mix these two, just a little mixture in my hand. So I'm about to do that so I can blend it in with the lace. Y'all, the lace is crazy. Of course, I do have a slight full face on, and the 9x7, what did I say? Was it 9x7 or 9x6? The 9x6 gives you that full lace, almost full lace look, except it's not full. So the lace stops right here, all the way to your temple. So the lace goes all the way to your temple, because I don't necessarily like that full lace look, because I just feel like the ear part is always lifting and it just doesn't make me feel secure. But with this one, it's like it gives you that illusion of having a full lace frontal, a full lace, but it's not. It's crazy. I am all up in the camera. So right now I'm going to put a little bit of, which one is it? This is truffle. And it's the darkest shade. So I put a little bit of truffle. And I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon on my hand. This is the foundation that I have on right now. This is the mixture. So that's what I'm going to use to color the lace. And then I like to mix it together on my hand to get my perfect shade. Okay. So right now I'm kind of scared because I don't want to be heavy-handed with this. Should I do it with it on or with it off? I'll do it. I'll start light. I'll just dab a little bit because I'm scared that it won't be the perfect color. All right, hold on. I did something. So the hair is completely different now. Oh my god, look at it. This is the close-up. What? What? Do you see this? Bro, let me tell you what I did. Hold up. Let me tell you what I did. Okay, so this is the hair now. And this is my own hair on this side. I just swooped a little. All right, so let me tell you guys what I did, right? I realized that I am not a frontal girly. I can't, not a frontal lace front. I can't do the whole lace front because no matter how much you try to blend it, the lace is always there. Okay, so first I'll cut the lace. I'll cut a bunch of the lace off. I literally cut the whole purpose of the M cap, cut it off. All right, and then what I use is I use this hot comb and I comb the hair forward. So I comb the hair forward to give it this illusion, okay? So it can fall in front of my face like this to hide some more of the lace, the little bit of lace that's left. And then I trimmed a little bit of hair. I put like some long bangs in front of it. So now it looks like a very flowy, straight. It just looks like I got my hair straightened. And this way you can't even see the lace in the front. I put my foundation and I am in love. Like, look at the pieces falling in front of my face. What lace? Now when you say what lace, this is what they're talking about. Look at this. Like, do you see this? Wow. I am literally obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm so in love, guys. I am so in love. I'm gonna get another one. I have to get another one. I need to get like a shorter one, like 16 inches, so I can wear all the time, like to the gym, to class, to work. And then I'll keep this 20 inches for going out, because when I tell you, and I'm not going to straighten it. I decided that I'm not going to straighten it because I love the volume. I love the bounce. I like how it's not so straight. It's not bone straight. I don't like bone straight. It still has a body. It has a flow. And yeah, so we're keeping it at this. I love the final addition to it. And I might even curl it later on, but this is what it looks like in the back. Like, there's really no reason for me showing you the back because I did not do anything to this hair. Okay? I did not do anything to this hair. I did not straighten it. All I did was I cut a lot of the M lace off. I just added a few frontal bangs. Just cut a little piece. I didn't even cut a lot. I just picked it up like this and just went downward with some regular scissors. Literally, regular scissors. And that is it. I'm obsessed. What do you think? What do you guys think? Would you buy this hair? Because girl. Alright, you guys, so this is what the hair looks like. I am obsessed. This is what I did, the modifications that I made. I am so obsessed with this hair. Of course, I just got it, so I can't tell you about shedding or any of that. I will add some of the videos that I watched about this hair while doing my research, so you can watch them and see if you're gonna get it. The hair is very affordable. It was $191 when I got it. And anything else you want to know about this hair, definitely let me know. I'm obsessed. I love it. It's just everything. It's everything that I dreamt of, and I can't say it enough. I love it. I love it. Yeah, girl, so let me know if you're gonna get this hair. I'll put the link in the drop box down below. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I pay my own money for this hair, and everything that I'm saying is literally my own experience. This is my first experience with it. Took it out of the box, made a few modifications, and I'm obsessed. All right, so definitely give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you would get it. Leave a comment in the comments bar below of other videos you'd like to see on my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.